Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's day 61 and it's currently 11 p.m. I just came back from the gym, driving on my way back home. Today I felt really lonely, I'm not gonna lie. It's catching up to me a little bit because I haven't spent much time with my friends. I haven't spent much time socializing recently. I'm just spending all my time working. And even it's in my uni semester right now, but I've only been going to uni once per week. Yeah, for the past 3 or 4 weeks. And yeah, I only go during that one day where it's compulsory, and the other days I just watch all the lectures online. And a lot of the times I don't even watch the lectures unless I need it for an exam or a test. It's a little bit conflicting because I feel so obsessed with work recently. I want to work 24/7. There's always so many things to do, and yeah, I just want to spend all my time pouring all my time onto this business, and that leads to me not wanting to spend time on anything else. So this includes like going out with my friends, hanging out, or just going to uni, because I mean, going to uni, you got lectures and all that and all, but honestly uni is quite chill. You show up to uni, maybe have 1 or 2 lectures, and yeah, you get food with your mates, and then we talk. It's very chill, honestly. But yeah, past 2 months, I'm just spending all my time, averaging probably 10 hours, 12 hours every single day, just working on my business. Yeah, it feels really lonely, man. I like it. Like, don't get me wrong. I enjoy doing what I do. I enjoy being obsessed with work. I enjoy doing this thing, but yeah, it does feel lonely, man. And I do feel it sometimes where that loneliness just hits me, and I start to doubt myself, thinking, why am I working so hard on this when I could just be, in theory, enjoying my uni life? But hey, we're trying to make it somewhere, right? I mean, this is what I dedicated myself to doing. I want to make this successful. So yeah, here I am, spending every single day, every single hour working, and I enjoy it. It's in its own way. It's kind of chill. You don't really have to interact with anyone. You don't have to deal with, hey, well, like, what do these people think of me? Like, am I making a bad impression on myself, on other people? Yeah, it's just you, your computer, and yeah, isolated work. So in that sense, it's, yeah, I guess I don't know. I feel like I'm more on the introverted side, probably. So yeah, this is not having to interact with people. I mean, like, this is, I don't know if I'm introvert or extrovert. I do like interacting with people, but you know, sometimes having time to yourself feels very nice as well. And I don't really enjoy places where there's a lot of people. Like, I don't really enjoy partying. I don't really enjoy going to the club. My ideal Friday night or weekends will be like going out hiking with my friends, staying at home and reading some books. Yeah, like I feel like I prefer quietness more, and yeah, I really enjoy nature. But yeah, like where there's a lot of people and where there's a lot of noise, I don't really like those type of situations. I don't know what am I even talking about. But today update for today. Right, update for today. It's a Sunday. I was just working the whole day. Working on AI agents. I've really been spending a lot of time looking into these AI agents recently, and today was just building on top of what I was doing yesterday, making an automation tool for social media posting. So I finished that today. So it's essentially 2 agents. The first agent what the first agent does is it listens to a Google Drive folder, and whenever there's an update, like a new file to the folder, it downloads the file and then it puts it into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will look at the video, or look at the file that's imported onto Google Drive. It will look at that video and generate titles and descriptions based on the video, and it will store those information on a database, which is, in my case, I'm using Airtable. So yeah, that's what it does. And the second agent will, so it triggers twice a day at 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. US time. What it does, it looks inside the Airtable database and it fetches the oldest entry that's unpublished, and it takes that file, whatever the data is within that row, and it uploads it onto all the social media channels. So it posts onto Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube as well. So right now I've got 6 Instagram accounts set up. I realized in order for this to work, all the Instagram accounts has to be linked to a Facebook page, which I had all my Instagram accounts ready. I had 10 Instagram accounts, but to create a Facebook page, you can only create one once every day or something, because it has a time cooldown because it doesn't want you to just spam create different pages. So right now I have 6 actual working Instagram accounts with 6 Facebook pages. So the videos is getting posted on 6 Facebook pages, on 6 Instagram accounts, and on 1 YouTube channel, and twice a day. So that's 13 different accounts twice a day, so 26 videos per day. And the first trigger is scheduled to run tomorrow, but everything is set up, both agents are running, and yeah, that's just makes it very simple, because you upload the file to Google Drive, you do it one time, and it generates everything for you. It generates the YouTube title description, Facebook title description. It's a little bit different between the different platforms, because I think the tone is slightly different to make every of these channels work. And for Instagram, it's a caption, so it generates 5 different outcomes, outputs, and yeah, then it schedules a function, and then it runs twice a day, posting on these however many accounts that you've set up. So that's very, very simple. Instead of going out your own way, inputting everything on ChatGPT and then posting on everything yourself, all you have to do is put it on Google Drive and it does everything for you. And yeah, so I made that today. And I also made another version of the second agent, which is like a blog writer. Well, not blog writer, but short content form writer. So it's the same thing. It takes in an article. So the agent is listening to a Google Sheets. So whenever you update any columns within the sheets, for example, you add a new article in there, the agent will look at the article. It looks at the article, and then it summarizes the article using Perplexity AI. And then it takes a summarized content form and feed that into an AI agent, which I'm using, just ChatGPT 4.0. So it takes the summarized content and then it repurposes that content into different forms. So I'm repurposing it into Facebook feed, into a Twitter post, X, and also a LinkedIn post. So yeah, essentially, whenever you want to make a post, you take a good article you find online, which even for that process, I'm probably gonna make an agent for that as well. So extend the current purpose, make a function that searches the internet once per day, looks for a relevant article or relevant trend within my niche, and then if it finds an article and then summarize the article, and using another AI model to repurpose the article into these different content forms and posting them onto these different channels. So essentially, when that is set up, you'll just have a running agent running once per day, looking at the recent trends, analyzing it, finding a good article, and then posting a repurposed article onto these different social media channels. So the idea here is just to pump out volume about our brand. I'm sure, obviously we're not trying to go very low quality, but right now I'm just trying to get everything set up and build the quality over time, just starting off with quantity. So that means posting on various different Instagram accounts, Facebook pages, YouTube accounts, and also like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook feed as well. So just spreading our word everywhere and hoping one of these will pick up and get some traction and feeding traffic into the website. But right now I'm still more than a month away from actually launching the product, because the production only just started 2 days ago, and it will be a minimum of 40 to 45 days for it to be actually produced and shipped to the US. So there's a lot of time for me to figure things out and trying to find the best way to market our brand. The main channel, one of the main channels we will be using is through TikTok Shop and their affiliates. So I'm definitely gonna reach out to tons of affiliates on TikTok Shop and getting them to market our product, because they don't have any upfront cost. They only make money through commissions. All you have to do is just send them products and they will make videos for it, and if they think the product is good, it's getting them sales, then they will try their best to make quality content, more and more quality content. So I think TikTok Shop, it's still in its very early stages at the moment. It's not like Amazon, where it's been around for 10, 20, 30 years. It's still relatively new. And I think in this day and age, where we're really shifting a lot of attention to short form content, and more people are buying off short form content. So what that means is, right now, followers don't really mean much. Like, it still means a lot, but not as much as before. I feel like with this influx of more and more short form content, it's just all about the quantity. It's all about the views, not necessarily about the followers itself, because you can have a 1 million follower account who's posting one video per day, and these videos maybe get 10k, 100k views. But if you have 100 new channels, or 100 channels pages with 1,000, 5,000 followers, but each 100 of them are posting five videos per day about a certain trend, about a certain product. And now that the algorithm is more and more advanced and it's pushing more and more new creators, so it's like one of these videos is bound to go viral, and the amount of views you will eventually get it's more than compared to just a regular channel with a high follower account. So I think quantity is where it's at. Good quality, obviously, but right now it's people. You've got, let's say you have a working format of a video that's proven to work. You can always just repurpose that, make new variations, because that format's already proven that it goes viral, it works. And now all it takes is to make different variations of these different videos and then mass producing them, spreading them onto many different accounts. And that's the ultimate way to drive traffic, man, and just get a lot of sales, a lot of traffic to your website, and drive sales through that. So I don't know. I feel like AI agents will have a big role in that, in terms of automating a lot of the tedious work. There's huge potential. You can pump out infinite content. Like you can have 100 AI agents running at the same time, each pumping out, each having its own functionality, and they all work in cohesion to produce these high quality blog posts, high quality content formats. And yeah, it's the potential is endless, man. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna, since right now it's a downtime period where I've done all my parts, getting the ingredients ready, getting the formulation, designing the packaging. Now everything, I'm kind of taking a step back from the entire product formulation process. Now I'm putting more emphasis on learning about marketing and the best way to actually launch our product, and the best way to garner attention once the product is actually ready, and actually ready in the Amazon FBA warehouse with our 3PL in the US, and ready to be shipped, man. I'm really, really excited. Yeah, another long video, guys. See you guys tomorrow.